The truth about a 36-hour fast. What really happens to your body, especially if you're over 50? Fasting has been practiced for centuries for religious, spiritual, and health reasons, but in recent years, it has gained mainstream attention for its potential longevity and metabolic benefits. One of the more extended intermittent fasting methods is the 36-hour fast, where a person abstains from food for a day and a half. While this may sound extreme, many proponents argue that this fasting period triggers profound physiological changes that could benefit overall health, especially for those over 50. However, not all effects are positive, and it's crucial to understand both the benefits and risks before attempting such an extended fast. When you stop eating for 36 hours, the first noticeable change occurs within the first 12 to 24 hours. During this time, the body starts depleting its glycogen stores, which are the carbohydrates stored in the liver and muscles. Normally, the body relies on these glycogen stores for energy, but when they run out, it must find an alternative fuel source. This leads to a drop in blood sugar and insulin levels, which can be beneficial for improving insulin sensitivity. For people over 50, especially those with a history of insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, this can be a positive outcome. Lower insulin levels reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that include high blood sugar, excessive belly fat, and high cholesterol, all of which are risk factors for heart disease and stroke. As the fast progresses beyond 18 to 24 hours, the body enters a state called ketosis. This is when it starts breaking down stored fat for energy instead of relying on glucose. The liver converts fatty acids into ketones, which serve as an alternative fuel source for the brain and muscles. This shift can accelerate fat burning, making fasting an effective tool for weight management. For those over 50, maintaining a healthy weight becomes increasingly challenging due to metabolic slowdown and hormonal changes. Fasting may provide an effective way to counteract age-related weight gain, particularly stubborn visceral fat that accumulates around the midsection. Perhaps one of the most exciting benefits of a 36-hour fast is the activation of autophagy. This biological process, which typically starts after 24 hours without food, is essentially a cellular cleanup mechanism. During autophagy, the body identifies and removes damaged or dysfunctional cells, repurposing their components to generate new, healthier cells. This process has been linked to numerous anti-aging benefits, including a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. As people age, their cells accumulate more damage due to oxidative stress and inflammation, making autophagy a critical function for longevity and overall health. Another benefit of prolonged fasting is its potential to reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many age-related diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. By giving the digestive system a break, fasting can reduce markers of systemic inflammation and lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Furthermore, fasting has been shown to regulate blood pressure, which is particularly important for those over 50, as hypertension is a leading cause of stroke and heart disease. Around the 36-hour mark, another significant change occurs: a surge in human growth hormone, HGH. This hormone, which plays a vital role in muscle maintenance, metabolism, and cellular repair, declines with age. However, studies suggest that fasting can dramatically increase HGH levels, which may help counteract the natural loss of muscle mass that occurs with aging. Muscle preservation is especially crucial for older adults, as it helps maintain mobility, strength, and independence in daily activities. Mentally, many people report feeling sharper and more focused after extended fasting. This is likely due to ketones providing a steady source of energy for the brain, as well as reduced fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Some research suggests that fasting may also boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports cognitive function and may help prevent age-related mental decline. Despite these potential benefits, fasting for 36 hours is not without risks, particularly for those who are older or have underlying health conditions. One major concern is the potential for muscle loss. While short-term fasting is unlikely to significantly reduce muscle mass, frequent or prolonged fasts without proper refeeding can lead to muscle breakdown. Additionally, fasting for such an extended period can result in electrolyte imbalances, which may cause dizziness, fatigue, irregular heartbeats, or even more severe complications. Staying hydrated and ensuring adequate electrolyte intake is crucial when fasting for extended periods. Another consideration is that fasting may not be suitable for everyone. Those with type 1 diabetes, low blood pressure, or a history of eating disorders should be particularly cautious. Women over 50, especially those in menopause, may also experience different metabolic effects from fasting, as hormonal fluctuations can influence how the body responds to prolonged periods without food. While a 36-hour fast can offer numerous health benefits, it should be approached with care. If you're new to fasting or over 50, it's wise to start with shorter fasting windows, such as 12 or 16 hours, and gradually build up as your body adapts. Breaking the fast properly is also crucial. After 36 hours without food, the digestive system is in a sensitive state, so consuming nutrient-dense, easily digestible foods like bone broth, lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables can help ease the transition back to eating. Ultimately, whether or not a 36-hour fast is right for you depends on your individual health goals, lifestyle, and any pre-existing conditions. While the benefits of fasting are well documented, it's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making drastic dietary changes. When done correctly and in moderation, fasting can be a powerful tool for improving metabolism, cellular health, and longevity, especially for those over 50 who want to take control of their aging process and overall well-being.